Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what's new in project Microsoft Project 2019. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Basically, friend, right now we have opened a page from the Microsoft website, and I would request that always check the latest updates on the Microsoft website. So basically, this website tells you that what are the new features introduced in the Microsoft Project 2019. It is telling you that if you are upgrading to Project Professional 2019 from Project Professional 2016, you will still have all the features you are used, and you will notice a few new ones as well. So first of all, very interesting point, a very important point, that your existing features will be available and intact. Next thing is that it will basically link tasks using a drop down menu. Here, see please, this is that you are linking the task using this drop down menu. When you are, like, normally what we can use, like we use the predecessor to link the task, okay, but here it is the built-in functionality in the Microsoft project that you can use the drop down menu to link the task. So it is a more graphical user interface which will be more helpful as well. Then task summary, here it is also a new feature in 2019, that it will provide you a task summary. Like here, if you just see, it is tell you this is the summary and this is the detailed task here, okay. Then timeline bar, labels and task progress. Basically it tells you that it is also showing the status of the task, okay. Like for example, it is graphically showing you the status and the progress of the task. Like green means that it is okay, red means that it is not okay. So graphical representation of timeline bar is also available. Normally if you use the previous version of the Microsoft project, here the labeling, here the graphical interfacing like color schemes are not available in the timeline bars actually. Then accessibility improvement means that we are continuing our effort to improve the accessibility of project for all customers. In project 2019 we have worked to make it easier for Windows narrator and other assistive technology to read more elements of the project. Basically accessibility will be more increased here. The other thing is that, friend, like basic tasks in the project quick start and other videos are also available, which will be very helpful for you to understand the Microsoft project, okay. Then next thing is that another very important point obviously is available. Project blogs are also available. Project blogs means, friend, that how project Microsoft project works. Like if you see from here, June update blog, my update blogs. So many blogs are available which you just have to read, you have to understand, and it will be very easier for you to understand the Microsoft project. Let me tell you, friend, one thing, that Microsoft project is a very easy software. Just have to understand the basic concepts of project management. If you have the basic concept of project management, you can very easily use the Microsoft project. And the user interface of Microsoft project is very easy to understand, very easy to use actually as well. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you have any question, please do ask me in the comment section. Also I can put this link in the description bar of the video, so you can also get more detail from the Microsoft website as well. And again, I would request that whenever you are starting any new software, to understand, always try to get the knowledge from the standard website. Like for example, microsoft.com, it is the standard website, okay. So all the information which is available on the website, it will always be authentic and you can use it accordingly. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. Thank you.